I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jump Calf. This innovative device is engineered to significantly boost your lower leg strength and explosiveness. It provides targeted resistance training for your calf muscles, helping you achieve better athletic performance and muscle definition. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced usage tips, ensuring you get the most out of your equipment. Get ready to elevate your training. Setting up your Jump Calf is straightforward. First, unbox all components including the main unit and power adapter. Connect the power adapter to a standard wall outlet, ensuring a stable power supply between 100 and 240 volts. Next, attach your chosen resistance bands to the anchor points. Typically, you'll find 3 levels: light, medium, and heavy. Finally, place the device on a flat, stable surface, allowing at least 1 meter of clear space for safe and effective use. For basic operation, simply power on your Jump Calf using the main switch. Use the control dial to select your preferred training program or one of 10 resistance levels. Position your feet securely on the foot pads, ensuring your heels are slightly elevated for maximum calf engagement. Perform controlled repetitions, focusing on a full range of motion, typically a 2-second push and a 3-second return. The integrated digital display will track your repetitions, time, and estimated calories burned, keeping you informed of your progress. To maximize your results, try incorporating plyometric exercises with your Jump Calf, aiming for 10 to 15 repetitions per set. For maintenance, regularly inspect the resistance bands, replacing them every 6 to 12 months to ensure safety and performance. After each use, wipe down the device with a damp cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals to prevent buildup. Store your Jump Calf in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. If you encounter any issues, consult your user manual or contact customer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.